Hi, good morning. So today is ski day. I'm not joining the tour of my colleagues, so I'll be going to Teine Olympia Ski School for my first-timer ski lesson. So to get to the Teine Ski School, I have to go to the Sapporo station, and from there, take the Hakodate line to Teine Station. And from the Teine Station, there's a JR bus going to the Teine Ski School. But the bus is limited, so I have to be there by 9:10 a.m. Otherwise, I will miss my lesson. So we're now at the Teine Station. I'm just going to transfer to bus 17 going to the Olympia Ski School.
At the Teine Station, just follow the signs to the exit where the bus stop to the ski resort is located. At the bus stop, just wait for bus number 70.
I'm going to catch the 9:10 a.m. bus.
If your ski lesson is at 11 a.m., you need to catch the first bus that goes to Olympia Ski School. However, there are very limited number of buses, so you can expect that there's a long queue. You have to know the schedule in advance so that you will not miss the bus.
It's already 9:49 a.m. I'm supposed to be here at 9:30, but hopefully I'm not that late. It's my classmates.
According to one of the instructors, these are school children from the local schools. Skiing is part of their curriculum, so all school children in Hokkaido are expected to know how to ski. I booked my ski lesson online and I received a QR code. All you have to do is to present the QR code at the school counter and everything goes smoothly. There will be an instructor who will assist you.
Hi! So I have now changed to my ski outfit. This is included in the lesson fee that I paid. I booked a one-day lesson for beginners, first-timers, and it includes rental of equipment and ski outfit.
I booked the full day ski lesson which cost 17,000 yen. This already includes rental of equipment including the outfit, the ski boots, the poles, and the ski. Unfortunately, it does not include any helmet.
Okay, so it's ski day today. Okay, so these are the first-timers.
Everyone.
Good morning.
My name is Yata, spelled Y-A-T-A, Yata. Today chief coach, okay? And second coach is Miss Miho, okay?
Hello, good
Okay,
morning.
third coach is Chiemi, Miss Chiemi. And one assistant is Mr. Adachi, okay? And one more, today's coach is Mr. Katsume. So five coach.
Walking in your ski boots for the first time is actually challenging. You have to walk sideways. Before coming here, I also watched some YouTube videos on how to ski for beginners. And the first lesson that you have to learn is how to attach your ski boots to the ski.
Push, 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 more push. Push, okay, push. How to say push? Okay, one more. Okay. Two into two piece, heel set, push. Okay, good.
Thank you.
In the morning session, which is 2 hours, you will learn how to use the ski and how to walk properly. You will also know how to go and how to stop.
Make a triangle.
Okay, so the morning session is done. As I expected, my sense of balance is really not good. So I fell several times, but it's so much fun. So I'm looking forward to really learn at least the basics and to minimize falling. So I highly recommend enrolling in a ski lesson for at least half day or full day if you're here in Sapporo. So we'll be taking a lunch break, at 1 hour lunch break, and at 1:30 p.m. we're going back here and we'll ride the gondola to higher slope.
Inside the building, there is a big cafeteria. This is where the school children eat their lunch boxes.
Okay, so I'm going to have a quick snack first before going back to the ski school. So it's the start of our afternoon class. We will be riding the gondola.
The afternoon session is the start of the fun part. So in the morning, you should be able to know the basics of skiing. And in the afternoon, you will ride the gondola together to a higher slope. And from there, you will ski down together. Although it was still a beginner slope, it was still high, so I was a little nervous. Skiing is a dangerous sport. You can think about what happened to Michael Schumacher and the late Natasha Richardson. I asked for a helmet, but the instructor said it was not needed for this lesson.
Wait.
Throughout the lesson, I fell several times. Actually, I already fell during the morning session.
Pizza, go down with me. Carlos, wait a moment. Okay, pizza. Are you okay?
I'm fine, sorry.
When you feel outbalanced, it would be better if you just fall on soft snow instead of hitting other people. Since I had poor balance and fell several times, the instructor put something on my ski. You will notice that there was a string that connects the two ski. This made it easier for me to do pizza. After falling several times, I honestly felt bad and embarrassed because I was too heavy. It was difficult for the instructors to help me get back up. Fortunately, they were very patient.
My other pole.
Don't worry.
Am I the worst?
It's okay. Take your time.
Oh,
Are you okay?
yeah. I'm sorry, I always fall. Thank you.
Don't move.
Stop recording.
On this part, we have to go down a steep slope one by one. But because I had poor balance, the instructor just helped me.
That's why. What do you call that? The one?
Yeah.
That one.
Really?
I'm the only one that has that, and the teacher is helping me.
So, but now you can go down yourself and you can control your speed.
Hi, so I'm done with my first ski lesson here at the Teine Olympia ski school in Hokkaido, Japan. It is highly recommended. The teachers are very good and very nice. I fell several times. I'm the worst student. They actually gave me a special tool on my skis so that I can do my pizza better. Pizza is how you stop or slow down. And they won't laugh at you, they will encourage you. Even my classmates are also good. No one's laughing. So, highly recommended. By the way, aside from the ski lesson itself, they are also very accommodating because my first booking was yesterday, but I emailed them to have it rescheduled to today because our flight got cancelled and there were some adjustments on our group activities, and they accommodated me. So you just have to check the confirmation QR code that they give. There's a link because they reply late through email, unless probably you call them, but since I don't speak Japanese, it would be harder. Just don't be late for class. They don't allow latecomers for a reason, and there's also a limited number of JR buses coming here, so just make sure that you know how to go here in advance.
The ski lesson ends at 3 p.m., but you can use the rented equipment until 5 p.m. You can also visit and eat at the cafeteria while waiting for the bus. Just make sure that you know the bus schedule since there are limited number of buses. You can also go to the bus stop way before the schedule since there's a queue.
Now time to leave. I'm going to take the 506 bus 70 back to Teine station, where I'm going to make a transfer to the JR Sapporo station. So the only issue here is there are limited number of buses.
As expected, there was already a long queue at the bus stop, which was open air, so it was really cold. I worried that I would miss the bus.
Our last day here in Sapporo, and now going to the airport. And I will be staying in Tokyo for 4 nights before going back home.
This concludes my winter adventure in Sapporo in Hokkaido, Japan. Hope you liked the videos, and please don't forget to subscribe and like. Tune in as in the next episodes, I'm going to travel to Tokyo, Japan by myself. Thank you for watching!